Welcome to Dependable Flame, where we explore vintage petrol lighters, ashtrays, tobacciana, and other useful mechanisms. Make yourself at home. Today we have a vintage Cygnus petrol lighter, patent 364149. It is vertically ribbed, silver toned, what I would categorize as a roller lighter, also an aluminum block lighter. It's in okay condition, not horrible, not great. I purchased it in a group of lighters, as I do most of the lighters that you see on this channel. Not real fancy, but it is complete and it functions well. And as I've said before, I just won't pass on them when I find them for a decent price. Does show scuffs, dings, scratches, wear to the finish. You can see that this one is simply marked Cygnus and patent 364149 on the fuel screw. Don't believe it is marked on the actual lighter, where a lot of them will be marked Japan or made in Japan. Does appear to be finished nice and smoothly, which they are not always. Does show some corrosion to the file wheel, some dings, maybe some small dents, stains or wear to the anodizing. Really haven't decided what I'm going to do with this one yet. I already have a brand new silver tone Cygnus in my collection, and I also have a used one. But this one is better than the other used one I had, so or maybe this is the first used silver tone one I have. That may be. I'm getting confused. I think it's the small one that I'm thinking about that I had. One that was in better shape than the other. Anyway, I don't know. This may be getting listed on eBay. Going up on the dependableflame.com/current eBay listings page. We shall see. It's a very nice looking lighter, functions well. The flint thumb roller mechanism is typical of the Cygnus. You've seen that on this channel many times. Sometimes you'll have to kind of work that spring to get it in there, right? Probably if I would oil that spring, it might work a little more smoothly, but we'll see. As I said, I'm not sure if this one is going into the collection or will get listed, but maybe I will make that a project and see if I can get that spring to work a little more smoothly before I do. You can see the fuel screw still has its gasket. Looks like it's that red sort of paper, reddish paper type gasket. And the spare flint compartment. Which was clear when I got it. Did not have degraded flint in it. And it's also round, where most of the others that I can remember seeing, at least recently, were knurled. So we'll get a little bit closer look at this one in comparison with the other Cygnus in that collection before I decide what to do with them, or decide what to do with this one anyway. But it is nice to have the fuel screw intact and complete. I did not have to re-wick this lighter or anything. I just pulled the wick up, cut it off, bloomed it out, and fueled it up, and it worked. I do have a video if you need to know how to re-wick one of these or how to clear the flint tube. I have those videos both already up. I'll try to link to them in the description to this video. Maybe even leave a card somewhere along in here. So another Cygnus silver tone, vertically ribbed aluminum block Petrol roller lighter to add to my collection. At least for the time being, or who knows. You may see it up on eBay tomorrow morning. But either way, it is a very nice old lighter that, whether it's in my collection, in someone else's collection, or being used, like David Ward says that he uses his Cygnus, which I believe was identical to this one, says he uses it often. So could be part of somebody else's collection or somebody else's daily user. It's worthy of either pursuit. Until next time.